But there's a place right in the Caribbean that not much people know about, you know? And that's where I'm from, Dominica, the land of mountains, rivers, 365 rivers.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy.
We have 365 beaches also, black sand beaches.
Place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed, but don't worry, be happy. The landlord says your rent is late. He may have to litigate, but don't worry.
World's biggest boiling eggs. What? Did you know about that?